In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users on Zendesk. Whether you're a Zendesk admin trying to expand your team or just getting started with setting up your customer service platform, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your Zendesk Admin Center. This is the hub where you can manage all your settings, users, and various other administrative tasks. Once you're there, look over to the left sidebar. You should see an option labeled People. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can manage all the users associated with your Zendesk account. After clicking on People, you'll be taken to a section where you can see all your current team members listed. Here, you'll want to look for the option to click on Team Members. This section will give you more detailed access to the team members already using your Zendesk account, and it's also where you'll start the process of adding a new user. Next, look for the button that says Create Team Member. Clicking on this will open up a form where you can enter the details of the new team member you wish to add. This is a crucial step, as you'll need to provide specific information to ensure the new user has the correct access and functionality within your Zendesk platform. Now, let's fill out the fields with the details of the new member. You'll need to enter their name, email address, and assign a role to them. The role you choose will dictate what level of access they have within Zendesk, so be sure to select the appropriate one based on their responsibilities. For instance, you might choose a viewer role for someone who only needs to view data, or an agent role for someone actively handling customer inquiries. Once you've completed all the required fields and double-checked that everything is correct, it's time to save your work. Simply click the Save button to finalize the creation of the new team member. This will add them to your Zendesk account, and they'll receive an invitation to join and set up their user profile. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new user to your Zendesk account. This process is straightforward, but ensures that your team can efficiently manage customer queries and support tickets. Remember, managing user roles and permissions is vital to maintaining the security and effectiveness of your support system. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions about using Zendesk, feel free to check out our other tutorials.